Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a completion review for Everydayedeals. Now this company sent me some products to complete and review and show to everybody. So this is the canvas that I finished. And it is the girl gnome that says peace. And this is the one that I got from Everydayedeals for $6.99 to go with the boy peace gnome that I got from Amazon. So this is the only company that I know of that carries this, unless I'm completely wrong, which is pretty much probably I am, but I have looked and looked and looked at other companies and could never find this until I found it on this company. So, Everydayedeals, it's very pliable, the canvas. There was 24 colors in it. They did have the DMC. This is a 30 by 40. And as you can see, it is very sparkly, very shiny. It is a full round. And it's just so colorful. And I really enjoyed working this. It went really quick. Now, the whole background, the whole thing, well, you might as well say this whole canvas is pretty much confetti. Because as you can see, the background was like very, very, very confetti. There was a few places to where you could do, maybe some foreplacing, which I did. But there wasn't very much color blocking at all. It was pretty much all confetti. But I think she turned out really well. And like I said, this was very pleasurable to work, and I think it was because of all the colors, all the different colors. Now I know a lot of people don't like confetti. I don't mind it. I would like an even kill of confetti color blocking in a canvas, but sometimes confetti is fun because it just kind of keeps you on your toes. So yeah, what do y'all think about this one? I love it. Got a little bee up here. Little colorful heart. She's got her tie-dye outfit on. Flower. Mushrooms and a butterfly. I just thought it was so cute. And like I said, I just love the colors in it. And again, it is a 30 by 40. And it is from Everydayedeals. And I gave $6.99 for this. So, yeah, I will leave a link in my description box for the company, for this canvas, all of their info, and if I remember, I will put a link to my unbagging of this in there also. So, all right, so I want to say thank you to Everydayedeals for allowing me to get some products and to show to y'all. I really, really, really appreciate it. And I appreciate all of my subscribers. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And until my next video, I will see all of y'all later. Bye, y'all.